Hello, it's Brandon Biggs, and today we're going to be cooking edible chocolate chip cookie dough. And this was a viewer request. And so yeah, what you're going to need to do is get out a mixing bowl, an electrical mixer or a stand mixer, and a spatula. Alright, so you're going to want 2 cups of flour, and you're going to want to microwave it for 50 seconds. Alright, so my flour just got done. I'm going to go grab it out of the microwave. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to get a cup of brown sugar, put it into your mixing bowl, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 sticks of butter, and you need them nice and soft. Move these off to this side, and you're going to want to get your electrical mixer or stand mixer and mix until it's a nice and light cream almost. Alright, now what you're going to want to do, get 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla, put it in with the dough, put this over here, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And get all the salt up there. And now you're going to mix. Now what you're going to want to do is get 2 tablespoons of milk, but only add about half of it in. That's about half. And a little bit of flour. That up. Alright. And then you mix in really slowly. Starting to get kind of thick. Alright, now I'm going to add the rest of my milk. And the rest of the flour. It's kind of sticking to the bottom, so you got to use your spatula. Alright. It's kind of sticking to the bottom when we microwaved it. Alright. There we go. Now I got all the flour in. Mix slowly again until all mixed in. It's really heavy. And by heavy, I mean like tough to stir so it feels heavy. Alright. Everything is mixed in now. Now you could make this cookie dough out of like any other like flavors and stuff, like chocolate chips, peanut butter bites. But I'm going to use M&Ms. And you need a cup of whatever it is. Pour them in. And use your spatula to mix it all in. Man, this cookie dough looks really good. And there's multiple different ways that you could serve the cookie dough. You could serve it in like bite size. You can make it really small balls and serve it with ice cream. Or you could just put it in a big dish where you can grab some and eat some. But I'm going to be doing it in a bite size. Alright, looks like all the cookie dough and M&Ms is all mixed. Alright, now I'm going to scoop a little bit of cookie dough out and put it in the tray, and you might get a little bit extra, so you can always just put it in another tray. Like I scooped a little bit. Just gonna put it in the tray right next to it, and you're gonna want to mush it down so they're nice and firm, bite-sized pieces. And it'll probably have enough to do an entire tray. Alright, I have finished putting all the cookie dough in the tray. So you're going to want to put it in the refrigerator for just enough to like, harden it a little bit. Alright, it's in the refrigerator now. I have some left over, and I'm going to make it into little balls for ice cream. So I'm going to get out a little cutting board. Alright, I got the cutting board, and I'm going to take a good amount of cookie dough out. I'm just going to take a little bit off and roll it into little balls. Right, one ball. And you want to do that for every little bit that you have. And it's going to look like there's no M&Ms in them, but that's because they all go to the center. And this one's too big. You don't want to make them too big because too big of chunks in your ice cream is not good. Alright, so I have the little balls of cookie dough. They're in here. I rolled them out. And now I'm going to put them in the fridge to cool too. Alright, so the cookies dough's done. Let's take it out of the fridge. Alright, let's try to get one out. Here, this one goes. Alright, let's try it. Here's a quick look at what it looks like. That is so good. It is exactly like a regular cookie. Duh. But it's just healthy cookie dough for you. Like, not healthy, but like you can actually eat it because it doesn't have eggs in it. So yeah. If you want to see any other videos, leave a comment. Bye.